Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gopal Kishan Jalwal. Welcome to the POCUS series. In this video, I am going to explain about troubleshooting while inserting the PICC line. So here first we have to apply the tourniquet and then uh, take the all aseptic precautions while before inserting the PICC line. Here you can see we have applied the sheet over the cubital fossa. Then you have to locate the brachial vein or basilic vein, and after locating the veins, then you have to inject the local anesthetic. Then you have to put the center line over the ultrasound screen, and here you can see a hypoechoic round structure that is compressible, that is the brachial vein. So after locating it, then you have to puncture with a needle. So here you can see our needle is approaching toward the brachial vein, and we are manipulating the needle, and here you can see we have punctured the brachial vein, and now we will try to insert the guide wire. But now guide wire is not going forward, so we have to remove the guide wire. So we have tried again to puncture the vein. So now you have see the blood flow is coming, and we have tried to insert the guide wire, but still guide wire is not going inside the puncture needle. So we remove the guide wire. So after trying the two times, I could not able to insert the guide wire. So we have changed our plan, and I scanned again for the good brachial or basilic vein. So here I find out a brachial vein at the level of the cubital fossa, and then I have decided to put the IV cannula first. So here you can see I am inserting a 22 gauge IV cannula at the level of cubital fossa. So here you can see uh, my IV cannula is puncturing the vein, and my tip of IV cannula you can see into the lumen, and after puncturing the vein, so we have to remove the stellate and see that here blood is coming. So here we have secured the IV cannula, and then through the IV cannula sheath we will insert the guide wire. So here you can see we are inserting the guide wire through the IV cannula sheath, and it is going without any resistance. We have inserted the guide wire, and then remove the IV cannula sheath, keeping the guide wire inside. Thereafter you have to make a small nick at the site of insertion of guide wire. Thereafter you have to railroad the PICC line dilator and sheath over the guide wire. Okay, I am withdrawing the guide wire till it is visible on the other side. Here you can see I am just inserting the sheath and dilator. Then you have to remove the dilator with the guide wire. Then you have to insert the PICC line after measuring the length from the second intercostal space. So here I am going to insert the PICC line at the length of 35 centimeter, and then peel the sheath while holding the PICC line, and then check the free flow of the blood. Here you can see the blood is coming, and then remove the guide wire that lies inside the PICC line. Here you can see after holding the blue sheath of the PICC line, I am removing the guide wire. So I have removed the guide wire. Here you can see this is a guide wire. Then you have to cut the PICC line. So I have cut this PICC line at mark of 35 centimeter. Then you have to attach this assembly with the PICC line. Thereafter you have to fix the PICC line with a fixator.